Best RC planes. Are you looking for the best RC planes? In this video we will look at some of the best RC planes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. E-flite Apprentice STS 1.5M. The E-flite Apprentice STS 1.5M sets a new standard for RC flight training. With a 59-inch wingspan, safe, sensor-assisted flight envelope, technology, and modern smart electronics, this trainer is perfect for beginners while still engaging for intermediate pilots. Built on the proven Apprentice S15E platform, it combines reliability, durability, and cutting-edge features to make learning to fly both safe and fun. Designed for first-time pilots, the Apprentice STS offers progressive safe modes that act like training wheels, helping you develop skills confidently. Beginner mode auto-levels the plane, while intermediate and experienced modes gradually expand flight capabilities, including loops, rolls, and brief inverted flight. Panic recovery ensures the aircraft returns upright instantly, giving novices a safety net and boosting confidence. For instructors and clubs, the Apprentice STS is invaluable. Its forgiving nature makes teaching students stress-free, and its durable EPO foam construction, reinforced in high-stress areas, survives minor crashes. Wide-stance tricycle landing gear allows smooth takeoffs and landings on grass or paved runways, reducing common mishaps. Smart electronics integrate real-time telemetry to compatible spectrum transmitters, monitoring battery voltage, current, motor RPM, and flight time. Optional Safe Plus GPS unlocks autopilot features like Autoland and Virtual Fence. Specs and highlights: wingspan 1,500 mm, length 1,080 mm, weight 1390 g, brushless outrunner motor, smart 38 ESC, RTF with Spectrum DXS radio. Assembly takes under an hour. Whether you're a beginner learning your first flights or an experienced pilot teaching others, the Apprentice STS offers unmatched safety, growth, and fun. It's more than a trainer, it's a complete flight system. Number 2. VOLANTEXRC TrainStar Ascent, Best Value RC Plane. The TrainStar Ascent 1400 mm proves that you don't need to spend a fortune to enjoy a big, capable RC trainer. With its impressive 55-inch wingspan, brushless power, and tank-like unibody ABS fuselage, it delivers stability and durability that rival higher-end models, all at a price that won't break the bank. Unlike foam-bodied trainers, this rugged plastic construction laughs off minor crashes, making it ideal for beginners and youth programs alike. Designed for budget-conscious pilots, the Ascent is perfect for first-time flyers expecting a few learning crashes. Its forgiving flight characteristics, combined with a powerful BL4023/1050 kV brushless motor and 48 ESC, make climbs confident and basic aerobatics easy. The click-and-plug wing system allows tool-free assembly, so you'll be airborne in minutes. Large wings provide smooth, stable handling even in light wind, while pre-installed servos and clean linkage routing simplify setup and maintenance. Key features: unibody ABS fuselage for crash resistance. 1,400 mm wingspan for excellent stability. For channel control with functional ailerons. Brushless 4023/1050 kV motor with 48 ESC. Click and plug wing assembly for quick setup. Specs: wingspan 1,400 mm, length 1,010 mm, flying weight 820 g, battery 3S 2200 mAh LiPo, not included, PNP version. Affordable yet high-performing, the TrainStar Ascent delivers gentle, predictable flight perfect for learning while being durable enough to survive multiple crashes. It's the ultimate best value trainer, giving beginners and clubs a reliable platform to grow skills without overspending. Number 3. HobbyZone RC Airplane Carbon Cub S2 1.3M. Don't let its budget-friendly price fool you. The Carbon Cub S2 delivers serious capability in a scale-accurate 1.3M airframe. This SOL, short takeoff and landing, trainer combines safe technology, optional GPS upgrades, and authentic bushplane performance, making it ideal for pilots who want a versatile aircraft that grows with their skills. From your very first flight to float flying adventures, the Carbon Cub S2 handles it all. Designed for beginners who value realism and long-term growth, this plane is perfect for aspiring bush pilots or anyone who wants maximum features per dollar. Oversized Tundra tires allow operations from rough surfaces, while safe modes provide confidence-building assistance that can be dialed back as skills improve. Its scale details and smooth lines make it a plane you'll proudly display as well as fly. Key features: safe technology with beginner, intermediate, and expert modes. Oversized Tundra tires for rough field operations. Optional Safe Plus GPS for Autoland, virtual fence, and more. Functional slotted flaps for precise control. Telemetry-capable 30A Smart ESC. Float-ready design with water rudder provisions. Specs: wingspan 1,300 mm, length 865 mm, weight 913 g, 489/60 kV brushless motor, 3S 1300 to 2200 mAh LiPo battery, sold separately, RTF with Spectrum DXS transmitter. Durable Z-foam EPO construction, precise controls, and beginner-friendly tricycle landing gear make setup and flying easy. Whether learning to fly, tackling short field landings, or upgrading to GPS features, the Carbon Cub S2 provides stability, versatility, and fun. It's the budget-friendly trainer that feels anything but budget, ready to grow with every flight. Number 4. VOLANTEXRC F4U Corsair. Who says beginners can't fly warbirds? The F4U Corsair Micro proves otherwise. With a 400 mm wingspan and advanced spilot stabilization system, this miniature warbird transforms a traditionally tricky aircraft into a beginner-friendly flyer. Modern tech makes tip stalls, snap rolls, and other common warbird pitfalls virtually impossible, letting novices enjoy the thrill of military aviation without stress. Ideal for first-time pilots, kids, and adults drawn to fighter planes, the Corsair Micro offers an accessible introduction to warbird flying. Unlike typical high-wing trainers, it delivers scale realism with trainer-level stability. Spilot's 3 flight modes, beginner, intermediate, and expert, adapt to skill level, while the one-key aerobatic function lets even rookies perform loops, rolls, and other stunts effortlessly. At this size, crashes are more amusing than damaging, making learning fun. Key features: 6-axis Spilot Euro stabilization system. 3 flight modes, beginner, intermediate, expert. 1-key aerobatics for easy stunts. Propeller saver design protects the motor. Complete RTF package. 12 to 15 minute flight times. Specs: wingspan 400 mm, weight 60 g, coreless gearbox motor, 1S 500 mAh LiPo battery, 200 plus FT range. EPP foam construction is resilient, the prop saver reduces damage from impacts, and the navy paint scheme is detailed and striking. Easy setup and calibration mean you'll be flying within minutes. Perfect for backyards or parks, the Corsair Micro makes warbird flying accessible, fun, and virtually crash-proof. Affordable, durable, and thrilling to fly, the F4U Corsair Micro is the ultimate first warbird for beginners. Number 5. E-flite P51D Mustang 1.2M, Best Warbird. Experience warbird perfection with the Cripes Mighty 3rd P51D Mustang. This 1.2M sport-scale warbird delivers the full Mustang experience, complete with functional split flaps, electric retractable landing gear, and its iconic 4-blade propeller. AS3X stability and optional Safe Select technology make flying this traditionally demanding aircraft approachable, while still preserving authentic warbird performance. Designed for intermediate to advanced pilots, this Mustang is ideal for enthusiasts who have mastered basic flying and want to step up to scale warbirds. History buffs and scale model fans will appreciate the meticulously crafted details, from exhaust stacks to sequenced gear doors, bringing museum-quality fidelity to your flights. Why you'll love it. The Mustang handles beautifully on 3S LiPo batteries, offering docile, predictable flight for smooth scale-style maneuvers. On 4S, it transforms into a vertical performance powerhouse. AS3X provides stability without dulling the authentic warbird feel, making loops, rolls, and dives feel confident and precise. Key features: Independent functional flaps and electric retracts with scale covers. AS3X stabilization with optional safe select. 3S/4S compatible brushless power system. Smart 70A ESC with telemetry. Authentic 4-blade propeller. Specs: wingspan 1,219 mm, length 1,065 mm, weight 1530 g, BL 15850 kV motor, 3S/4S LiPo. Crafted with reinforced EPO, metal-geared servos, and high-quality paint and decals, this Mustang balances scale authenticity with excellent performance. Perfect for precision flying, scale photos, or high-energy aerobatics, the P51D Mustang remains a benchmark for sport-scale warbirds.